Hey, I'm glad you made it. It is day 2 of Inktober. As you know, I will be doing DCtober for Inktober, where I draw a DC character for every day of October. Check out Luis Bajo Colados for the full list. Like I said earlier, it's day 2, BlackCanary. I really wanted to do her justice, her being all badass and such. I thought posing her with a motorcycle would make her look pretty cool. For the coloring, after I masked it, I tried to primarily use the airbrush tool to fill in the colors and the shadows. I didn't really play much with layers because I really wanted it to be experimental and to come out, naturally, not forced. Just like being cool. One last thing, I showed my girlfriend this and she said it kind of reminded her of Francine from American Dad. I thought that was pretty funny. She kind of does have a striking resemblance. Voiceover me is going to leave, so enjoy the rest of the painting and enjoy the music. Peace!